All right, hopefully this will help you out. What we're going to do is we are going to actually look at our basic again. Remember, it's going to be 1/3 cube root of x. That's what we're going to be looking at. And so if I look up here, I've got a equals 1/3. And I've got h equals the opposite of this, so it's going to be 8. And k equals -5. That'll help us when we go to shift. This looks like it's going to be right 8, and this looks like it's going to be down 5. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually plot my basic. And again, it's a cube, so I can actually have values that are perfect cubes. Let's see. I'm going to look for, let's do, 27 is a little big. So let's do 8. All right. So I'm going to say -8. And now I'm going to go 1/3 the cube root of -8. That's going to be 1/3 times -2, which is -2/3. That's the point that's going to go there. Now I'm going to put in -1. 1/3 cube root of -1 is 1/3 times -1, which is -1/3. Let's put in 0. 1/3 cube root of 0 is 1/3 times 0, which is 0. We'll put in 1. 1/3 cube root of 1 is 1/3 times 1, which is 1/3. Let's put in 8 again. 1/3 cube root of 8 is the same thing as 1/3 times 2, which is 2/3. So I'm going to plot those points. Sorry about the jiggling camera. I'm going to take my graph and I'm going to plot the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I need to go down -2/3. So about right there. Then I'm going to go -1 and down 1/3, and then 0, 0, and then 1 and up 1/3, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up 2/3. This is my basic. All right. Now I looked up here and it says I need to go right 8 and down 5. So that's what I'm going to do. Right 8, down 5. Let's see if we can get this all on one screen. And I'm going to mark X's for these. So if I'm at -8 and I need to go to the right 8, I'm going to be at 0. Oops, sorry about that. I have to go down 5. This was -2/3. Oh my goodness, I picked a humdinger. All right, so I have to go -2/3 minus 5, and I'm going to get -17/3, which is -5 2/3. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go down to -5 2/3. So if this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that's where I'm going to be. Now I'm going to take this one. I'm at -1 and I'm going to go to the right, so I'm going to be at 7. Oops, and then I have to go down 5. So I'm going to take -1/3 minus 5, which is -5 1/3. So I take this and I go down to here. Oops. So I don't have that one and I don't have this one. Now I'm going to go to the 0 and I go over 8 and I go down 5. So it's going to be right here. This one I'm going to go over 8, which is going to put me at 9. So I'm over here and then I go from 1/3 minus 5 which is going to be minus 4 2/3. So I take this and I go over to the 9, and I'm going to go down to 4 2/3. Now I take this one, it's at 8, I'm going to go to the right 8, so I'm going to be over here at 16, and I'm at 2/3, so again I'm going to come over here, 2/3 minus 5. It should be minus 4 1/3. So now I have to go over to 16. This is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I'm going to go down to 4 and a smidgen. So now there, and this is harder because I don't have it on graph paper. There is my new line. Notice it shifted down 5 and it went to the right 8. And if I look here, my domain is all reals and my range is all reals. Now that's how you're going to do these odd numbers. I'm hoping to show you the whole screen. And what I want you to note when you get to number 69, let me write this down. Number 69. It says y equals negative 2 x plus 2 to the 1/3 minus 4. You can rewrite this. Cube root of x plus 2 minus 4. So when you do this, your a is negative 2, your h is negative 2, and your k is negative 4. A, H, K. And you should be able to do the same steps. Alrighty, good luck, and we'll see you on Friday morning.